What's up guys, so OnePlus has officially confirmed that they are working on perhaps the biggest smartphone release from OnePlus in years. Yes, that's right, OnePlus Nord is officially coming and it's pretty clear that this is more than just a phone. We have a separate Instagram account titled as OnePlus Lite Thingy, which obviously isn't the name of the phone. It's going to be OnePlus Nord or Nord by OnePlus. In fact, one of the leaked images have actually confirmed the name. If you look at the background, you can see it says Nord. This is indeed a brand new beginning, perhaps a new range of smartphone series coming from OnePlus that are super duper affordable. There's even a documentary in the making showing off how OnePlus started off and pulled the original OnePlus One flagship. Pretty much everything in the trailer points to one thing, and that is they're about to do this flagship killer thing again in 2020. OnePlus Nord, as we talked about specs wise, it's crazy good. We have a Snapdragon 765 5G chip, 90Hz OLED display, quad camera, 30 watts of fast charging. I mean, all this stuff, at first we thought it's gonna cost at $400, but now it seems like it will match the price of the original OnePlus One, and that is $300. It's almost like they are recreating a flagship killer with 2020 modern standard. OnePlus has confirmed some of the details of the OnePlus Nord. They're actually planning to release this first in India and Europe. Now, the Amazon India page for OnePlus Nord is already live. It's teasing everything that we have seen already. This is OnePlus's answer to the competition from the likes of Xiaomi and Samsung's A series. According to Carl Pei, OnePlus will reveal some details on the OnePlus Nord in the coming days. I've actually met this guy, he's super cool. But according to the rumors, OnePlus will officially unveil its Nord series on July 10th, which is next month. And it's actually not that far, just a couple of days. So let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Also in the news, Samsung is gearing up for the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. We have a brand new report coming from sammobile.com regarding the colors that Samsung has finalized for the S20 Fan Edition. So it's gonna be Prism Blue, Prism White, and a new Prism Violet color. It seems like the S20 Fan Edition is shaping up to follow the footprints of the S10 Lite. We had the similar kind of color lineup for that phone. Samsung could call this phone Galaxy S20 Lite, although if the specs are really good, then Fan Edition is a nice name as well. It could be the cheapest 120Hz smartphone from Samsung with Snapdragon 865 chipset. Also, Samsung has posted a feature trailer of its upcoming camera sensor, which is the Samsung GN1 50MP sensor with dual pixel autofocus technology. It's a really great sensor that is actually a little bit bigger than Galaxy S20 Ultra's camera in terms of the size. For some reason, Samsung is not using this sensor on the Galaxy Note 20 Plus, so they're still sticking with the 108MP HM1. Now, the first smartphone to have this sensor is actually a non-Samsung phone. It's the Vivo X50 smartphone, which is also world's first phone to have a gimbal camera system. It's gonna go on sale really soon. I do trust Samsung's decision. They probably have something bigger planned for the Galaxy S21, but I would love to see this sensor on at least one Samsung phone this year, and that phone should be the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. It looks really promising, and honestly, if it's gonna have that sensor, it will make it really exciting. I really hope Samsung take this decision. So that's all the news we have. OnePlus Nord is about to kick off a legendary era for OnePlus. It's more than just a phone. From the looks of it, it's probably going to be a brand new series of smartphone from OnePlus. I can't wait to see this phone. July 10th is the rumored date for the announcement. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.